Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad Kongres Sangma habaya keren berkilat patai kubor hadin ke dorbar senrai jong Kejela halor ke jingwan ra jika an jika pada tip kum ke Women's Reservation Bill kepala ban Pyntreikam ke election jong ke Lok Sabha ke ban salong House nem arajar arpukundai ha ke ban kaliang jong ulaong bakum ba Kejela Meghalaya kalong Kejela ke ba ajai syaka kemi bat kumure shimet ubangai haga jing pen kup bor ye kikin thei ula pen pau ye jing sngo Kmen bat ula Pdiang sngo haru ha ka bede bat ka jing Pyntreikam ya kini ka an da ka ba ong ba Kmen lingba kini ka an kan yarap ban nang pen klanchu bat I men simru ye ka jing wan shakmat jong kikin thei ban long ki dikhot kum ki MP hapo ka yeng dorbar thawan ka ri bat ru ki MLA hapo ka yeng dorbar thawan jong ka jilla Pat kum Kejela ingat scam bakan Pdiang yakani namar kalong kawai na Pdiang Kejela kabang ngat hagabe dei bat kajing penkup bor yakikin thei pat kum kaseng NPP ru kan shim yaka senjam ban yakren ha kaban Pyntreikam no yakani.
It has already been tabled in the Parliament today, and of course, as a matrilineal state and as an individual who believes in women empowerment, I am very happy about the bill as an individual, and I welcome the bill, and I'm sure that this will lead to a very positive, strengthening and representation of women in the Parliament and in the assemblies, and of course, as a state also, it's something that I'm sure that the state as a whole will be also acceptable because it's one of the few states in the country that believes in socially empowering women by means of having a matrilineal. It's a part of our culture. And now as a party, of course, we will take an official stand on it. We will be calling a meeting. And once we do that, officially we will take a resolution and pass, and then we'll take a call on that. But as I said, as a president of the party and as an individual, it's something that we welcome.
Sir, is there